Google Shopping is one of the richest sources of real Secretlab Titan user reviews. The information it provides at a glance is impressive. It pulls over 4,000 reviews from Secretlab's regional websites. But reading the actual reviews can get tedious.
My 17-year-old son is a gamer, and his biggest wish for his birthday was a Secretlab gaming chair. I did a bit of research, and the Secretlab chair came out top in many review sites. This led me to convince the rest of the family to couple together and collect enough cash to afford a Secretlab chair. The day came, and my son was super excited when he unpacked the box. And if I'm honest, it was a big hit.
I have been using
I
same
first saw this
office
chair when my
a
son
number
purchased
of years
it for his
now.
home
My
office
old
and was
cheaply
immediately
secondhand
impressed.
chair
He'd spent a lot of
desperately
time
needed that
researching
only
and chose
allowed
this
the
one.
The ChairsFX Sentimizer presents another way to get value from user reviews. It's a simple Python application that processes raw user reviews. You can pull reviews from any platform and allows API access. Here are 200 Secretlab Titan reviews from Google Shopping. Our data scrape shows that Google pulled these from Secretlab websites. However, the only data the Sentimizer needs is the raw reviews. The front interface shows the first part of the job. Using Python machine learning libraries, it summarizes the text. It also gives it a sentiment rating of positive, neutral, or negative. Here's what the original output looked like. But our tests found the sentimization accuracy was only around 85%. For a second opinion, we added a GPT-4 API layer. It summarized each review into positive or negative bullet points. This dataset then goes to a human analytics team for a final classification. Using the processed data to compile 200 rows takes a human analyst around 2 to 3 hours. The end result gives us a sentimization score, common likes, and common dislikes. We can also extract micro insights like repair rates, padding comfort, and back pain results. To read the final report, visit the link in the description.